As a designer, I describe my style as rustically modern. I don't like a stark modern design where it's all just white on white on white, straight lines, clean lines. I like to infuse a little bit of personality. I love something that feels a little rustic or traditional or a unique piece that you wouldn't think you would see it in a more modern design. One of my beliefs is that a house needs to have multiple features in every space. You know, it could be a furniture piece like a sofa. It could be some of the architectural details. I mean, in this room we have wallpaper on the ceiling just to add a little bit of a fresh, whimsical feel in the house. And so the clouds up there sort of let our mind wander. You know, in the living room we have the original fireplace box. So you have this detailed shape with the original tile, but we wanted to upgrade that a little bit. So we added a marble facade to the fireplace that steps down. So there's a little bit of that rustic element with the original firebox, but then we have the clean lines for this, also a bit of an Art Deco flair to the fireplace. So you can see wherever I am, it sort of blends different styles.